Dear friends, in this video we will see how to improve the memory capacity in an Android mobile. There are many ways to improve the memory capacity, right? And one way we will see in this video. Just go to WhatsApp. Normally we use WhatsApp everywhere. So this is the WhatsApp, and in this WhatsApp, go to top corner, go to settings. Okay, normally using WhatsApp we used to auto download the medias, that is the photos, videos, audios, etc. without clicking the audio, video and other medias. It gets automatically downloaded by default, and when you off those things you will automatically get better memory, okay, in Android mobile. So in order to do that, go to settings, then scroll down, go to storage and data. In storage and data there are many options. There is media auto download. You need to switch off the media auto download. When using mobile data, click it, remove all this, click OK. When connected on Wi-Fi, remove all this. By default this will be selected, so we need to remove this default, okay. Then when roaming, that also just remove it off or untick, okay. Then media upload quality, there is uploading quality, that is auto recommended, you can keep it, cancel it, okay. So when you switch off this media auto download, no media, so, right? When using mobile, no media. When connected on Wi-Fi, no media. When roaming, no media. So once you do this, you will not get this unwanted message. See here, you could find this is the video and audio gallery. See here, video, huge amount of video has been downloaded automatically without our knowledge. So this happens, and once you avoid this, you can able to improve the memory capacity in Android mobile, okay. See here, this is the video, this is the photos, okay. So many unnecessary photos will be downloaded, okay, automatically without our knowledge, okay. So this is a procedure how to improve memory capacity in Android mobile. Thank you friends, thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.